love this quote from Jim Rohn. He was a great guy. He passed away in 2009, but he was a renowned American entrepreneur, author, motivational speaker. We must suffer from one of two pains: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference is that discipline weighs ounces while regret weighs tons. I run into so many people that I talk to that come out and say, I really regret not starting saving earlier. I really regret that I put so much money in the 401k as opposed to, outside Roth or something. People who set goals in any particular arena, whether it be weight loss, if they set goals and they work hard toward those goals and they achieve those goals, they look back later in life, they really don't have a lot of regrets. It's those people who fail to pursue their dreams, they don't set goals, that tend to regret a lot. So, but if you set a goal or if you have a target, there is going to be some pain to achieve those things if you stay on track.
With finances in particular, you can spend a little energy or a lot of energy up front planning, making sure that on a day-to-day basis you follow that plan, right? You have to have that discipline. And yeah, it might be a little tough. It might hurt a little bit. Whereas on the back end, if you get to retirement, for example, and you find that you don't have to do the things that you want to do, that's going to be a heck of a lot of regret that you have. You're like, well, what have I done with all of these years that I've had to prepare for this? And that is so much more painful than just that little bit of discipline that it takes along the way to make sure that you are prepared when the day does come.
So I love this quote from Jim Rohn. He was a great guy. He overcame early financial challenges to become a mentor and motivator to millions. I think this platform that I was on the stage with him, we were different. We were on at different times, but we were on the same stage for that day, for that event. And I think we had something like 8,000 people that were there that day.
Wow.
So it was a big event. Anyway, Rohn's philosophy focuses on personal responsibility and self-discipline. So great guy. We've got tons of material that's out there that's available. I would encourage you to look him up. It's Rohn, just last name is spelled Rohn.